Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, air signs. Okay, so let's check. May chance ba na mag-reach out yung taong iniisip mo bago mag-end ang April? Oo, so before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And ganun rin pagdating po sa ating private reading and sa ating mga items. Kung meron po kayong mga tanong, okay, just message me. So available yung ating mga evil eye protection. So we have ring, necklace. So ito yung necklace natin. This is unisex, okay? And yung ating dalawang bracelets. Yan. Isang adjustable and isang garterized. Yung adjustable available in red strings and ito yung may initial na inilalagay. Okay? And syempre, yung ating ring is adjustable po, no? And yung ating love bracelet. So kahit anong situation, connection, yan. Single ka, pwede sa'yo ito. This is 7 inches long. Hindi siya adjustable, hindi rin siya garterized. Okay, so ganyan siya. And yung ating granter necklace. So si granter yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest. This is made to order po, yung ating granter necklace. So this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung chain. So ano pa ba? Front and back. This is may acrylic, so it's like may glass. Okay, so ano pa ba? Tiningnan maigi. So aside sa pag-grant ng mga minamanifest mo, so tagapagbigay rin siya ng mga surprises, no? And yung ating pang cord cut. So si cord cutting is pag-aalis po ng mga unwanted, yung hindi na rin gusto nating energy na nakakapit pa sa atin. Mostly mga energies sa past. So yun po ang ating mga iniaalis, no? So again, kung may tanong pa, just message me. So let's see Aries placements. This is for you, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Sa mga pwedeng mag-timestamps dyan sa comment section, please help me pagdating sa timestamps. Salamat sa mga pwedeng tumulong. Okay. So in general, air signs, there's this somebody new coming in. May nakita akong Ace of Cups. Some of you, this could be a sign na pwedeng okay na mag-heal. Okay, right time to heal. Mga ganyan. So let's see, Gemini. Will they reach out bago mag-end ang April? So sino ba to? Angel number for you, 333. Okay. Who is this? The King of Swords, Universe. Somebody na pwedeng nagloko sa'yo in general. Nagsinungaling. Hindi naging tapat. Hindi naging totoo. May tinago. King of Swords, Universe. The Four of Pentacles. Some of you, this is specific. Merong itinakbong pera sa'yo tong taong to. Okay? Pwede. Or legal actions, legal issue, Pwedeng meron kayong legal issue ng taong to. Pwede naman kasi itong hindi love. Okay? Kung meron akong makukuhang ganun. Kasi ang tanong lang naman natin, will they reach out? Okay? So, tingnan natin. May chance ba na mag-reach out tong taong to? Bago mag-end ang April. The Emperor. And the Knight of Swords in reverse. Nakikita ko sila pa yung, I'm hearing pwede. Pero parang sila pa yung magbibigay ng rule sa'yo. Sila pa yung parang matapang dito. May chance na makakuha ka ng message from this person, I think. Pwedeng may money na related sa inyo. Why the Knight of Swords in reverse? Page of Cups in reverse. Kung ano man to na kailangan mo sa kanya, may chance na hindi mo pa rin makuha eh. Could be the emotion, the money, something like that. Hindi pa rin eh. Para sila naman yung magsasabi. Parang magre-repeat lang. Parang ganyan. Parang magpaparamdam lang muli. Oo, parang siya pa rin yung may hawak ng bola dito. Parang ganun. Okay? Ikaw yung parang mangangailangan sa kanya. Ikaw yung parang aasa. Nakakainis yung energy, Gemini. Yes. Okay? So there. I'm hearing then power tripping. Power tripping. I don't know kung ano yun. So next, Libra. So Libra is 16. Libra. Will this person reach out? Will they reach out bago mag-end ang April? Let's see. Will they reach out? Sino ba to? The Hermit. Could be a Virgo. Could be Virgo. What's with that Hermit? Bigla na lang tong nang go. Some of you, no? Ginose ka na lang bigla. Yeah, the Moon in reverse. Ang hirap na. Wala na to as in. Like sabihin nating wala ka nang naririnig. Wala ka nang nalalaman from them. Para silang nawala na lang bigla talaga. Like kahit ni ho, wala. Parang ganun. I'm getting sabihin nating they're darker. Oh, darker skin. I don't know why. Some of them, they're like, sabihin nating parang awake lagi pagdating sa gabi. No? Ano to, aswang? Libra. Okay. Joke lang. Joke lang, no? So, meron din ako nakikita some of them, pwedeng a call center agent, a call center nagwo-work, or pwedeng sa gabi yung trabaho. Parang may ganong energy. Anyway, yun yung mga energy na nakukuha ko from that person. So, let's see. Will they reach out bago mag-end ang April? Oh, the Three of Cups. Okay. And the Queen of Swords. For me, it's a yes. Pero hindi ka handa dito. Okay, why the Queen of Swords? Yeah, the Sun. Sabihin nating biglaan lang. Nakita mo lang, magkikita kayo, like magkakasalubong, parang ganyan. And yeah, may mangyayaring conversation. Okay? So, we have here Virgo and Pisces. We have here Leo, Water, and Libra. Could be a Libra. Pwedeng ikaw Libra yung mag-e-end ng convo. Yeah. First na mag-e-end ng convo. Like, okay, sige, dyan ka na. Parang ganon. Okay? Kung through chat naman to, ay, may gagawin na ako, ganto, ganyan. Oh, may something dito. Parang may makakaramdam na naman ng drawn. Like, may pahabol effect. Anyway. So, there. Okay, next. Aqua. Let's see Aquarius. Aquarius placements. Aquarius. Okay, 9-9. Aqua. Will this person reach out? Will they reach out bago mag-end ang April? Aqua, will they reach out? Will they reach out? So, sino ba tong taong to? Aqua. Sino to? Sino ba ito? Okay, the Devil. The Toxic. Could be a Capricorn. Oh, the Overthinker. The Toxic Overthinker. What? Grabe. The Nine of Swords. Ang dilim, oo, ng taong to. Sa totoo lang. They're afraid, overthinker, they're negative, they're toxic. Aqua, kumusta ka sa taong to? You felt a strong connection with this person, I think. Or pwedeng sila sa'yo. Trying to move on from them. So will they reach out? You're in their head. You live in their head. Rent free. You're obsessing. They obsess. Will they reach out? Some of them, they're abusive. I'm sorry. Will they reach out? The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. The Six of Wands in reversed. The Eight of Wands is in the bottom of the deck. I think this is the urge. Gustong gusto ng taong to, pero they're like stopping themselves na mag-reach out. This is communication. Yeah, judgment. Gusto nilang makipag-usap sa'yo. Gusto nilang mag-reach out. They're jealous, some of them. This is ego. Hard-headed, like, yeah. Ten of Pentacles in reversed. Parang bakit pa? Parang ganon. Bakit ko gagawin kahit gustong gusto ko? Parang ganyan. Some of them talagang napaka-overthinker nila. Sila yung talagang nagda-down sa sarili. Parang ganyan. Wala naman to, hindi naman ako, baka naman hindi ako pansin ni Aqua, something like that. Okay? Ace of Cups. Yeah, they have this a lot of emotion still pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. Iba sa kanila kasi pwedeng, yeah, nag-overthink, iniisip baka meron ka ng iba. Parang ganun, ayaw nila na makakaramdam ng selos whatsoever. Parang i-avoid nila yung sarili nila sa mga ganung emosyon. That is why. So it's like, okay, bakit pa? Parang ganyan. You're their wish fulfillment. You're their wish fulfillment. Na talagang napunta na lang sa basurahan. Parang ganun. No, nakakaawa. Feeling attached. I felt, yeah, still attached. Grabe, Aqua. Sino man to? Kung sino man ite. Kung hindi ito romantic connection, itong taong to talagang stressful. Yeah, ang lakas magbigay ng stress ng taong to. Okay? Sila yung parang gusto nila, kung ano man ang mga gagawin mong aksyon, sila uunahin mo. Parang ganun. Makakaramdam sila ng galit, selos kung hindi mo sila bibigyan. Mga ganung bagay. Okay? So there. Yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you also. And also air signs muna. So again, yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung ating dalawang YouTube channel nasa baba. And yeah, yun lang. Thank you. Goodbye.